Professor Vishal Chari's family says he could not have killed himself, suspects foul play, files complaint. Chief Minister says COVID deaths in state are rising because the people delay in seeking medical help, say more testing will be done. Police take 5 Chandigarh tourists into custody for possessing counterfeit notes, rushes team to Chandigarh. Navalkars question quality of road works in their village as potholes appear within months of hot mixing. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant on Monday said that deaths are rising as people ignore COVID symptoms and delay testing or getting themselves admitted to the hospital. He held a review meeting with the health department officials as cases and deaths are spiking all over Goa, and Goa saw 11 deaths in last 24 hours. He also said that a decision on opening schools would be taken shortly.
The Chief Minister said that government hospitals are well equipped with all kinds of facility. He said there was no need for the general public to get admitted in private hospitals, admitting that COVID patients have had to sleep on floors. He said that it was a thing of a past, but it was only for one day, and as there was sudden spike in cases and infrastructure was not ready in GMC. However, on second day all patients were given beds. There are still empty beds in the GMC. No shortage of oxygen in hospitals, beds available. Test, get admitted to hospital as soon as symptoms are noticed. Decision on schools will be taken shortly. We'll look into allegations of tourists not wearing masks, crowding. Don't go to private hospitals, GMC has capacity. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 from Panji.
The coronavirus cases are rising rapidly. The COVID-19 cases in India have crossed 49 lakhs mark after recording more than 83,000 cases in last 24 hours. Meanwhile, India also reported more than 1,000 deaths for the straight 15 days in a row.
Single day jump of 83,809 COVID-19 cases were reported in India in last 24 hours. 1,054 deaths were reported and 79,292 patients have recovered. India has reported 49,30,236 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 9.90 lakh mark. 80,776 deaths are reported and 38,59,399 patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 10.77 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh 5.75 lakh, Tamil Nadu 5.8 lakh, Karnataka 4.67 lakh and UP 3.17 lakh. Almost 3 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 2.94 crore. 9.32 lakh deaths are reported and 2.12 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 64.26 lakh cases, followed by second worst hit nation India 49.30 lakh cases, Brazil 43.15 lakh cases, Russia 10.68 lakh cases and Peru with 7.22 lakh cases. Bureau Report Goa 365.
A brother cannot commit suicide. The murder angle should be looked at, says family of Goa University Professor Vishal Chari, who was found hanging in the woods of Chandreshwar Parvat in Paroda. Family suspects foul play and want police in-depth investigation in his death. They have filed a police complaint on the issue.
Vishal Chari, assistant professor of economics in Goa University, was found hanging to a tree at Chandreshwar Parvat on 12 September. He was missing for 13 days before his tragic death. Vishal was scholar with master's degree and PhD in economics. He was recently appointed as the assistant professor of Goa University. Vishal's brother and mother spoke to Goa 365 on his tragic death. Police should investigate all angles and give justice to us. The family have filed a police complaint with the Kepem police station and CC to Old Goa and Ponda police stations with a copy to DYSP Kepe.
तेजो मर्डरच केलो असो दिसता म्हाका, आनी कांय दिसना. कित्याक ते तशें ते करताले, प्रत्येक खेप ते तेका झगडपाक तेका पयलीं धाडटाले आनी मागीर आपूण झगडो येताले. तेणी भयणी सुद्दां सांगला, हे तो मिसींग जाता भयणीन म्हाका सांगला, चेडवान म्हाज्या, कित्याक आपूण केन्ना ना गो, आपूण दिदी केन्ना सुसायड करचो ना. आपूण शिकोवन कितें उपयोग जालो तर अशें करता जाल्यार.
तो सुसायड करपी न्ही, कळ्ळें न्ही. आनी तो भयणी कडेन तशें उलयलो रक्षाबंधनाक की आपूण सुसायड करचो ना, ह्या स्टेजीचेर पावचो ना म्हणून असो तो उलयलो. आनी त्याच संशयाचेर आमी ती पुलीस स्टेशनाक कंप्लेन केला की तो असो करचो ना म्हणून. तेजी बायल सदांच तेज्या वांगडा झगडटाली, तेका फुडें काडून आमच्या वांगडा झगडोंक लायताली. ते एक उतर उलयलें आनी तेज्या नंतर ती भरपूर कितें करूं. आनी चड संशय येता कित्याक त्या दिसा 29 ऑगस्टाक तो मिसींग जाला पळय, तेन्नाच्यान ते आमकां मिसगायड करता, कळ्ळें न्ही. दनपारां 2:30 सुमार तेणें कोणाक दुसऱ्याक फोन करपाक लायलो. तेणें डायरेक्ट करचो आशिल्लो म्हाका, कळ्ळें न्ही. आनी रातचो तेज्या फ्रेंडान फोन केलो आनी सकाळीं 4:30 वरांचेर तेणें फोन केला आनी ते म्हाका म्हणटा की तो विशालाक तुमी शांतादुर्ग चामुंडेश्वरी आनी चंद्रेश्वर भूतनाथार कित्याक पळयना. म्हटल्यार तेका कशें कळ्ळें ती गाडी थंय आसा बी म्हणून. पयल्याच दिसा हें आमचें मेन कन्सर्न. आमकां फक्त न्याय जाय. विशालाक कशें त्रास केले आनी तेणें हे जर तेणें तशें केलां सुसायड, जर पुलीस म्हणटाले ते तेणें सुसायडीत केला म्हणटाले, तशें जर तेणें केल्लें आसा जाल्यार तेजेर आमकां न्याय जाय. कित्याक सांग, म्हाका काल अशें कळ्ळां की विशाल ताका पर्वतार वयचे पयलीं मेळ्ळा म्हणून, पूण म्हाजे कडेन ठोस पुरावे कांयच ना की ताका मेळ्ळा म्हणून.
कोणा मेळ्ळो तो?
तेजे बायलेक ताशी. पूण म्हाजे कडेन सद्या ठोस पुरावे कांयच ना, कळ्ळें न्ही. हांव ते गोळा करतलो आनी पळयता. हांव म्हणूंक शकता की आतां हें कळ्ळां पळय तेजे वयल्यान हांव म्हणूंक शकता म्हाका कोणें म्हटलें पळय तेजे वयल्यान.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Kepe.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The 5 tourists from Chandigarh have been taken into custody for possessing and using counterfeit notes across Panaji and Porvorim have been remanded to 8 days remand. Goa police team has left for Chandigarh to investigate links there.
A team of Panaji police arrested them from a hotel at Parvavado where they had checked in about a week ago. North Goa SP Utkrisht Prasoon had informed that the 5, Rajdeep, Gangadeep, Harjit, Rahul and Anurag had used fake currency that they were carrying in Panaji and Porvorim. They were tracked using technical surveillance and the search led to recovery of different denominations of rupees 100, 200 and rupees 2000 notes. The total amount of fake currency is around 2,96,400. The accused have been booked under section 489A counterfeiting currency notes or bank notes, 489B using as genuine, forged or counterfeit currency notes, and 489C possession of forged or counterfeit currency notes of the Indian Penal Code. Amar Chauria for Goa 365 from Panaji.
Roads in Naveli are in a bad state. The roads were asphalted before monsoon, but now they have developed potholes at many places. As a result, many two-wheeler riders have met with accidents. Navelkars questioned the quality of work done by the contractors. Goa 365 has been highlighting roads all over the state, and Naveli has been highlighted before. But the authorities don't seem to be paying heed.
Navelkars have been complaining about their bad roads even before the onset of monsoon. Even though a quote of hot mixing was given at the time, the roads have developed potholes again. What could be the reason? Poor quality of work? Navelkars suggest that concrete should be used to repair the potholes.
रोडार आतां ते 20 पावटर सारको केलो हिंगा आनी रावंड फोंडार आमगे शेणां तरी घर तरी बरें आसतलें बट हे रोडार चोवपा न्हू हे म्हाका दिसता गोड कालोवन कोता कितें म्हणून जावंक म्हणून रोड आतां तांकां खबर आहा बाबा पावस लागपा आहा एप्रील म्हयन्यांत तेमी तो रोड रिपेर करूं जाय आनी पावस काबार जातकूच ऑक्टोबराक परत करपा जाय आनी नाजाल्यार तांकां जायना जाल्यार तेमी फोडून हें करपा जायना तो रोड हाको बेत्या करपा जायो
कितू जाण एक्सिडंट जावन पडय थिंगा आम कितू पाट प्रेस दिल्या फाटीन आमकां नाका लोकां एक्सिडंट जाल्लो सो लोकां लायफ सेव करपा एटलीस्ट यू कॅन डू दीस रोड न्हू आम मन रस्त्यार येवपा नाका परत परत कर म्हूण सांगपा तुमकां
आयज 20 फाटी रोड घायले 20 फाटी आख्खे पाड कितें कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ते डांबरा भितर उदक घालून हाडटा काय कितें करता म्हूण कांय कळना आनी सारकी दशा इतू पेड्या जाला डेली सकाळी सांजचे लोक पडत आनी पयर ते घातला पळय वॉटर प्रूफ म्हणून घायलाय केसो वॉटर प्रूफ आनी कितें म्हणून कांय कळना बाबा हांगसरल्यान जो रोड स्टार्ट जाता रावपण पर्यंत कमीत कमी 20 फाटी घायलाय 20 फाटी पाड घालप म्हळ्यार पावसाचो लुकसाण जाता काय तुमचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचो लुकसाण जाता कांय कळना आनी आतां इस्कॉल बंद आहा तरी पण बरें आहा इस्कॉल जर स्टार्ट जालें जाल्यार भुरग्यांक वचपाचें हाडपाचें कशें कितें करप एक एमर्जन्सी म्हणून आसता त्या टायमार तुमी अशें पाड रस्त्यार आमी पडले जाल्यार कोण आमकां व्हरपी बाबा हे सगळें मातशें हांव सरकारा कडेन अपील आनी रिक्वेस्ट करता की ताणें त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचेर लक्ष दिवचें आनी नावेली जे लोक आहा MLA आहा नावेलीचो तो चड करून लक्ष दिवपाक जाय कित्याक तेगे ऑफिसूय बंद आसता बावड्याले
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Naveli.
The Margao Municipal Council meeting turned rocky over the future of the vexed Sonsodo garbage issue. Opposition councillors got into a verbal battle with MMC chairperson Pooja Naik. The issues of the multi-level car park and irregularities in depositing MMC money in the bank was also hotly debated.
The issue of garbage at Sonsodo still remains unsolved. The civic body is in the center of the controversy after a lot of lethargy in treating the garbage at Sonsodo. Meetings after meetings were held with Goa Solid Waste Management Corporation to solve the issue, but nothing fruitful came of it. Now, MMC held a special meeting to discuss the setting up of a biodigester plant at Sonsodo proposed by Goa Waste Management Corporation for treating of Sonsodo waste. The council decided to approve the proposal for a treatment plant.
आमचो प्लॅन कितें आसा हो सोनसड्याचेर हे प्लांट घालपाचें आनी हे आमी 2 फेजीन घालपाक जाता फर्स्ट फेजीन आमी 3 मशिनां पयलीं घालता 5 TPDची आनी सेकेंड मागीर आमी 4 मशिनां सो हो एक प्रुवन टॅक्नॉलॉजी आसा जातलें सारकें त्या कारणा खातीर आमी आयज रेजोल्युशन घेतलां आनी हे घेता आसतना सुद्दां हितून टेंडर प्रोसेस बी कांय आसतना कित्याक जॅम पोर्टल जो आसा गव्हर्मेंटान अप्रूव केल्लो आसा तेजेर घेतलेलें सो हितून कांयच आनी कसलें हें ना तेणी सांगलां आमकां की ते शेड जी आसा कन्स्ट्रक्ट करपाचें ते म्युन्सिपालिटी करतात तेकाय बी तितलें खबर ना तेणी सांगलां हेजेर आनी एक थोडी स्टडी करून रोखडें सांगता म्हणून बाकीचो सगळो कितें आहा तो गव्हर्मेंटाचो प्रपोजल ना
Goa Waste Management Corporation. They had proposed a 5 TPD biomethanation plant, and they had proposed 7 plants, all 7 of them at the existing Sonsoda site. And there was a discussion taken place today, and the council has decided to approve that proposal.
As we all know, there is a constraint at the Sonsoda site because there is an old dump lying there. There is a landfill which is not in operation. There is a shed where windrows composting is taking place, but it was designed some time back. The quantum of waste coming to the site is much more than what it was designed for. There are issues for windrows composting, the time period required for composting. So after examining all this, we have made a proposal, a technical proposal of how the problem could be resolved. And since there is consent at the site, at one time you will not be able to do any work at the site, we have suggested to go in a phase.
The issue of the proposed multi-level car park was also taken up. After the meeting, councillors and former chairperson Arthur De Silva said some superpower is interfering in the project. However, he didn't take any names, saying the person can be an MLA or a politician.
हितून कावन्सिलरांनी फेल जाले म्हणपाक कावन्सिलर्स फेल जाले म्हणपाक शकत ना कावन्सिलरांक सगळ्यांकूच जाय हांगसर कोण तरी सुपर पावर हें हाडयता कित्याक मल्टी स्टोरी पार्किंगा आमी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन फंड्सूय मागूं ना फंड्सूय आसा तेका रिजर्व दवरलेले ते फंड्स आमचे ते आतां एफडी आहा ते पिल्ल काडवता सुपर पावर कोण सुपर पावर तुमची इतले आनी बरें कोणाक खबर आसतलें म्हाका दिसता कोणें पॉलिटिशियन पॉलिटिशियनच आसतलो न्ही, कितें एक मडगांवाक जे पार्किंग जाता जे म्हाजे थ्रू जाल्लें, हांवें फावंडेशन घातलेलें म्हूण गडे आडयता आसतलो.
मल्टी लेवल पार्किंग जे म्युन्सिपालिटी प्रोजेक्ट केला त्याच्या सायडीन जो जागो आसा वीकली म्युन्सिपालिटी दॅट वी हॅव एक्वायर्ड इट. पण कोण तरी ते प्रोजेक्ट घालपाक सोदता वीच एज अ PDA मेंबर आनी एज अ कावन्सिलर आमी तो सद्या बंद दवरलो. आमी पार्टीक सांगला की तो जर आमी एक्वायर करना प्रोड्यूस द डॉक्युमेंट.
ते मल्टी लेवल पार्किंगाचे थंय खंय कोण तरी आमचे कितें तरी प्रोजेक्ट घालपाचो कितें प्लॅन आसा म्हणून सांगला. आनी जेन्ना ते PDAन आयिल्ले तेन्ना MLAन बी ताका डिफर केल्ले खंय न्ही, आनी तो म्युन्सिपालिटीक धाडचे की तो लँड अक्वायर्ड बाय सम प्रायवेट ओनर की गव्हर्मेंट म्हणून ते. सो आयज मेरेन तेजेर आमकां असं कांयच खबर ना. आतां हो जो टॉपीक आयला तेजेर चीफ ऑफिसरान आमच्या इंजिनियराकूय सांगलां की हेजेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावचें म्हणून.
MMC Chief Officer Ajit Panchwadkar admitted that irregularities are happening in a day-to-day cash deposits in the bank. He said it will be inquired into.
I noticed that there was an irregularity in depositing the cash in the bank. But unfortunately, the dealing hands, the accounts officers and all, they did not bring it to my notice. But somehow through my this thing, I realized that there was an irregularity. The cash was not deposited in time. And it's a huge cash, which was an irregularity. So in order to correct that, what we ensured that we directed the bank to come here in the office and collect the entire cash.
Sandeep Twankar for Goa 365 from Madgaon.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Gotni area of Bicholi municipality is full of garbage. As there are no street lights in the area, people throw garbage here at night. Desperate locals want the Bicholi Municipal Council to act on it.
The heaps of garbage is lined up on both sides of the road at Gotni. Locals have demanded that the Bicholi Municipal Council should first take steps to get rid of the garbage and then ensure that this does not happen again.
आमी आतां पळयता ह्या रोडान आमचो यो वच जाता की ह्या रोडार रातचे आमी वयता पळय तेन्ना आमकां लायटीचो खूब त्रास जाता. लायट येता गाडी घेवन पळयता केन्नाच रातची खूब त्रास जाता. म्हणजे गोरवां येता मदीं आनी आतां हांगा पळोवंक गेल्यार पळय हांगा गार्बेजचो खूब गार्बेज कितली उडयल्या ती पळय रस्त्यार पळया तुमी गार्बेज कितली उडयल्या ती. ह्यो लोक फायदो घेता. लायट नासलेल्या ह्या कारणान लोक फायदो घेता.
दिवचले म्युन्सिपालिटीच्या वॉर्ड नंबर 5 एक वाठार आसा. हांगासर तुमी पळयशात स्पेशली रातचे पळयशात जाल्यार हो फूल एक 500 मिटराचो रोड आसा. हो पूर्णपणे एकदम दाग सारको काळोख आसता. कित्याक म्हटल्यार हांगासर लास्ट फार्म जो आसा तो गोटनेश्वरा कडेन आसा आनी तेच्या फुडें डायरेक्ट म्हणटा तो जंक्शनार आसा आनी मदल्या वाठाराक कांयच लायट ना. आनी लायट नासल्या कारणान हे आमी तुमी पळोवंक शकता हांगासर कितलीशीच गार्बेज ती फक्त पेपरच न्हू तर हेचे जनावरांचो कोंबड्यांचो म्हणजे वेस्ट केसांचो वेस्ट अशें लायट नासतना हांगासर सदांचपणे उडयता आनी वयतात. विशय फक्त कचऱ्याचो न्ही लोकांच्या हेल्था विशयी आसा आनी हांगाच्यान यो वच करणाऱ्या लोकांचोय आसा. रातच्या काळोखान हांगासर कितेंय घडूंक शकता. चोरी जावं शकता, कोणाचेर अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर जावं शकता, कसलोय वायट प्रकार घडूंक शकता. ताका लागून सरकारा कडेन मागता हांव की ह्या वाठाराचेर मातसो लक्ष दिवचो. काळोख आसा तो मातसो लायटी घालून हांगासर मातसो उजवाड करचो ह्याचेर.
Mahesh Govekar for Goa 365 from Bicholi.
A computer printer from the Talati's office at Mormugao Municipal Council has gone missing. The Talati came to know about the theft when he came to the office on Sunday morning.
A complaint has been lodged with Mormugao police about the theft. What is strange is that the chairperson says there are 3 watchmen on night duty, 1 guarding the office and 2 in the garage.
आयतार दीस जेन्ना हांव सकाळीं फुडें आयलो पळय न्हू रुटीन वर्क तें आमचें कोविडाचें तें करपाक लागून हांव ऑफिसान आयलो. सकाळीं जर येवन पळयत जाल्यार कंप्युटर आमचो म्हाजो कंप्युटरा कडेन सायडीक प्रिंटर आसता एक्शन प्रिंटर तो सकाळीं कोणी तरी गायब केलो पयशे कांयच कळना कसो कोण येयलो तो. सगळ्याक आमी हे सायडीन दुसऱ्या ऑफिसान आमी विचारलें ते म्हणटा आमी व्हरूना तुजो काडून आमी व्हरूना म्हणपा लागले. आतां मागीर आमी इन्क्वायरी केली सगळ्यांक 2 दीस आमी दिले कोणाक सगळ्यांक बाबा खंय कोणी हेला बिला तो परतून हाडचो म्हणून कोणी अजून पर्यंत हाडूना. ताका लागून आयज सांजचे आमी FIR फायल करतले. सेम आमी इंटिमेट हेका केला डेप्युटी कलेक्टरानूय केला डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ऑफिसानूय आमी केला ते आमकां CCTV आमकां प्रोवायड करचे म्हणून
हांवें आमच्या पुलीस स्टेशनार इन्फॉर्म केलेलें आसा. आमी चीफ ऑफिसराक लेटर सांगलेलें ऑलरेडी थंय एक वॉचमॅन आसता आनी आमच्या गॅरेजीन 2 वॉचमॅन नायट वॉचमॅन ड्युटी करता. तरी सुद्दां सांगून दिसता की चारूय सायडीच्यान एंट्री आसल्या कारणान म्हाका दिसता तेंच्या डिपार्टमेंटान मामलेदारान आपणी खंय तरी वेवस्था करूंक जाय. सेक्युरिटी आपले डॉक्युमेंट्स आपली सेक्युरिटी करपाक जाय. तशेंच हांव दुसऱ्याय डिपार्टमेंटान मागता खुबशे हांगासर डिपार्टमेंटा तेणी आपले बिलॉंगिंग्स आपले कॅर घेवंक जाय म्हणून.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log in website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa 365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.